Believe it or not, an old case about a cow holds a timeless lesson for your business.
Okay, so this whole thing kicks off with a deal based on a huge misunderstanding of value.
All right, let's meet our key players, a banker named Sherwood and some cattle breeders, the Walkers.
Now, here's the crucial part. Both parties were absolutely convinced the cow, Rose, was barren.
So, they priced her out for beef by weight, landing on a sale price of about $80. But then, after the sale was confirmed, the Walkers made a discovery that changed everything.
They realized their mistake and refused to hand over what was now a very valuable cow. And you can see why. Her value wasn't just a little higher, it was suddenly 10 times more.
Well, Sherwood sued to get his cow, and this whole thing went to Michigan's Supreme Court.
Which brings us to the big legal question. Can you just cancel a contract if both sides were fundamentally mistaken? And the court's decision? They sided with the sellers, saying, yep, the contract could be canceled. And their reasoning came down to this really powerful legal concept, mutual mistake. The court said the mistake wasn't about the cow's quality, but its entire substance.
And the court's own words really put a fine point on it. Basically, a barren cow and a breeding cow are two different things, so the contract was void.
So what does this old case about a cow mean for your business today? A whole lot, actually.
It's a huge warning about the unstated, hidden assumptions that can blow up any deal. So let's break down 3 lessons from Rose the cow to help protect your business. First, before you sign anything, ask, what are the core assumptions here? And get them in writing.
Next up, you gotta clearly define the essential nature, the substance of what's being exchanged.
And finally, know the difference between a minor flaw in quality and a major flaw in its identity.
So, what's the bottom line? Your contracts are only as strong as your shared assumptions are clear.
And that leaves us with a big question. What core belief about your business might be fundamentally wrong?